We are always looking for ways to upgrade our space and optimize it the best we can. So today we wanted to show you the recent upgrades that we've done to our arcade area, located in our basement. There are a lot of fun arcade machines and collectibles in this area of the house, and we have a full arcade tour up on our channel right now if you're curious to learn more about each specific machine. Today, however, we will focus on two main upgrades that we've done. The first upgrade we made was to swap out our old basketball arcade machine, the Pop-A-Shot, for a new one. We loved the Pop-A-Shot, but it simply felt too small for the space. This new basketball machine is the Barrington Urban Arcade Basketball game from MD Sports, who kindly sent this over to us for review and are sponsoring today's video. We really like the fact that this new basketball game is 2-player instead of single-player. It makes it a lot more fun to play and adds to the vibe we are going for of making this feel like a proper arcade. It also has 8 different game modes, so it never gets boring. The size of it and the way it takes up space in this room also helps a lot. It is a lot wider due to the 2-player function, with dimensions of 84 by 48 by 90 inches. It also has a better side netting that completely covers the sides. Before, we would have basketballs flying all over when we'd play the old one, since the net was only partially covering the sides, so this is a great upgrade. The frame also seems more stable, with its steel reinforced mainframe and concrete style legs and wooden connector bars. It has steel rims with thick nets that are 13 inches in diameter. In total, the whole basketball arcade game weighs around 127.6 pounds. The basketball game also has built-in sound effects, infrared sensors, and an oversized LED scoreboard with a game clock, completing the experience. The basketball seems of great quality too. They're 7 inches and you get 6 of them. We ended up moving the golf and dartboard that we had next to the Pop-A-Shot into another area of our basement, the hidden back room where we have our poker table and extra PC setup. We think that this makes more sense as it gives you more space to play either instead of being crammed into the other room. This also looks better visually compared to the big recliners we had here before. The other upgrade that we made to the arcade area are these life-sized 3D printed Star Wars droids. They are built by Ron, who contacted us asking if he could build us some. He has made a lot of cool 3D printed projects before, so we were really excited. And we must say, they turned out amazing. We really think these add a lot to the space, both visually, but also by adding in more of our personality into the space. Ron made us 5 droids in total, along with bases and lights. 2 of the droids are even larger than us, a full-sized battle droid and a super battle droid. The base here was meant for the battle droid, but we decided to use it for the super battle droid instead to make the space work a little better. He also made us 3 smaller ones. An unidentified Imperial probe droid from Hoth, the bus droid from Revenge of the Sith, and the Dumb Series pit droid from Tatooine. These are full-size too, except the Imperial probe one, which is 29% scale. They also have bases and built-in lights to make them look even more realistic. Everything ended up looking amazing, and we really love how the bases and lights add even more detail. Huge thank you to Ron for helping us with these. Definitely check him out on Facebook if you want to see more. There will be a link down below. Overall, we are super excited about these upgrades to our arcade setup and really think it looks and functions a lot better. Please let us know your thoughts about the new additions in the comments below, and your thoughts on other ways we can upgrade our basement setup. Thanks again to MD Sports for sponsoring this video. We look forward to playing endless amounts of 2-player basketball against each other. If you want to do the same, make sure to check out the info in the description. While you're down there, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more setup content in the future. Can't wait? Don't worry, we post daily short-form videos here on YouTube, as well as on Instagram and TikTok at CamXPetra, so you can be the first to see any new additions to the setup. You can also check out our website, CamXPetra.com, for all the products that we use in the setup. Until next time, bye.